In this video, you'll learn how to customize local POS device settings. We'll cover what these settings control, how they're used for different device types, and which changes you should avoid making casually. This isn't a full configuration walkthrough. Instead, we'll focus on the settings supervisors typically adjust, and the ones best left alone. Local device settings give you control over how a single POS device behaves. They're designed for fine-tuning based on how your team and venue operates. In most cases, these settings only need to be configured once. If your POS is working well, you may never need to change them again. We'll focus on helping you understand your options, so you can make the right changes to improve your venue's performance. Most configuration lives in templates and global settings. Local POS device settings exist for use case-specific behavior. For example, a food and beverage POS may need different settings to a front desk or entry POS. These settings aren't global and don't sync across devices. Each device must be configured based on how it's used. If multiple devices need the same setup, you can configure one device and then duplicate it to reuse those settings. Recommended settings vary by device type and how your venue operates. These are common starting points, not hard rules. For front-of-house or entry devices, the goal is fast checkout and smooth entry. Common actions include fast tender to speed up payments, automatic check-in when tickets are scanned or waivers are attached, discounts and custom discounts enabled with manager approval, and automatically reverting the sell date to today to reduce errors. Ticket printing is usually only needed when purchase and entry happen in different locations. When the POS is also the point of entry, printed tickets are often unnecessary. Turning off auto-print receipts and emailing receipts is becoming more common to reduce paper waste. However, a receipt still needs to print for the cash drawer to open. If receipts aren't printed automatically, they must still be printed for cash transactions. The only exception is cloud printing, which allows the cash drawer to open without printing a receipt. These settings help keep lines moving and reduce manual steps during busy periods. Food and beverage devices focus on order flow and production clarity. Common actions include fast tender for quick transactions, automatic prompts for modifiers when used, table numbers enabled when orders are routed, and auto-printing production dockets when not using fresh KDS. If you're using fresh KDS, production is handled digitally instead. For pure food and beverage POS devices, skipping new guest details can speed up service. Avoid this setting if the device also sells tickets. Tabs may also be useful where guests add items and pay later. Across all devices, some settings protect access and accountability. This includes device timeout to prevent misuse, manager pins for restricted actions, and the ability to undo check-ins when mistakes happen. These controls balance speed with security and protect both staff and revenue. These actions support faster service and clearer order handling between staff and production. There are many settings available at the device level. If you're unsure what a setting does, leave it as is. Changes here can affect staff workflows, printing behavior, and the guest experience, especially mid-shift. You now know what local POS device settings control, how recommended actions differ by device type, and how to make safe adjustments without disrupting service.